Yes, that's right. A week ago, I don't know how to ride a bike.
And I can definitely guarantee that.
There was no chance at all because ever since I was a kid, I never learned how to ride a bike.
Not until 2 days ago.
Yes, and I finally made it on a random Friday. I just stepped on it and I made a miracle.
Yes, so I was going from the car, going after her, and I just saw her just start pedaling and flying through.
So in this video, I will show you how I learned how to ride a bike.
Yes, we have compiled some easy steps from YouTube on teaching an adult how to ride a bike, and we've managed to compile
3 simple steps.
yes. And step 1,
Step 1 is find a safe location. It could be a park in your neighborhood or an open space.
yes. And in the park, try to see if you can find an inclined slope.
Or with a little slope.
Yes, because that will definitely help you with step number 2.
Step number 2 is learn how to balance. So learning how to balance, I tried to ride downhill and I put my 2 feet up while maintaining my balance, and I tried to use the brakes as well. I learned how to use the brakes at the same time and just gliding through the slope.
And for that, do not touch the pedal first. So
Yes.
first on this step 2, you just have to maintain and be comfortable on how you're going to be balancing the bike.
Correct.
Up until you're going to be much more comfortable with everything, that is when you can go to
Step 3, start pedaling. Now, this is really a nerve-wracking experience. I know it's really hard trying to put your 2 feet up onto those pedals, but you just have to keep on pushing and just try to put those 2 feet up while maintaining your balance.
yes, up to when you start pedaling. Make sure that you try to put some force when you pedal. So when you put force, that equals a little bit of speed, and the speed definitely will help you balance yourself. Those are basically your 3 simple steps. Just practice. Yesa did it a week ago for about an hour in the park.
Yeah, so it is never too late to learn how to ride a bike.